Ever feel like you're just guessing what your hair needs? You're not alone. So many of us try product after product, watch endless tutorials, and still end up frustrated. But here's the thing, all that guesswork can actually make things worse. Dryness, breakage, itchy scalp, sometimes it's not about adding more products, but about the right treatment. At Morells, we take the guesswork out. We understand that your hair needs personalized care. If you're dealing with dryness, we bring back moisture. If your scalp is itchy, we soothe it with a targeted scalp treatment. And if your hair is shedding or breaking, we've got protein treatments to strengthen it right at the core. So if you're tired of the endless cycle of guessing, come to Morells. Let us restore your hair's health, replenish what's missing, and help you keep that beautiful length and thickness you deserve.